Lotus root is the edible underground stem of the lotus flower, typically found growing in the muddy bottoms of ponds. When you slice it, you'll notice it has lots of holes, which makes it unique. It has a crispy and slightly sweet taste, and it's a favorite in Chinese cooking. Nutritionally, lotus root can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol, aid in weight management, and contains antioxidants that may help slow down aging. Here are some easy and popular dishes using lotus root. Boil sliced lotus root for 1 to 2 minutes, then mix it with salt, vinegar, and sesame oil. You can add scallions or chili peppers for extra flavor. This salad is crunchy and refreshing, making it a perfect appetizer. Quickly stir-fry lotus root slices with salt, some shallot, and a bit of white vinegar. It's a simple and tasty dish. This comforting soup combines tender pork ribs and lotus root. It's aromatic and light, making it an excellent choice for family meals. This snack features meat between 2 slices of lotus root, coated in batter and deep-fried until crispy. Very yummy. A sweet dessert from South China made by steaming lotus root with glutinous rice, brown sugar, red dates, and almond flowers. It's fragrant and delicious. Dried lotus root can be ground into a fine powder. Mix it with warm water and stir thoroughly. Then you'll have a delicious and nutritious beverage that also supports digestion. Visit China and try these delicious and healthy recipes to enjoy the unique flavors of lotus root.